Can you change your name on TikTok before 7 days? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application TikTok. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you need to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the profile section, at the very top, you can see the option where it says Edit. Click on Edit. At the very first, you can see Name. Click on it. First of all, delete the name that you have entered and then enter the new name that you want to add. But it says that your name can only be changed once every 7 days. Before that, you will not be able to change it, which means that it is not possible to change the name before 7 days. You will need to wait for 7 days and then only you will be able to change it. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.